In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 73 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the number 7. We know that 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, we get 3. Now 3 is smaller than 4, that is why we will bring down this number 3 here. Now 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract, we get 1. Again 1 is smaller than 4, that is why we will put a decimal here so that we can borrow 1 0. Now 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 2. Again 2 is smaller than 4, that is why we will again borrow 1 0. And we know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 73 divided by 4 is equal to 18.25. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.